Andrew. To the lodge. That would be a great wolf lodge. Ow!
To the butt lodge.
Hi. Welcome to the kid cabin at Great Wolf Lodge, New England. Come on in. We got some happy campers. Happy little wolf pack. Ooh, let's see.
Who's out in the house?
You want to see yourself in the mirror? Look, I'll show you Andrew. Andrew the wolf. Oh, there he is. Oh.
Who's out in the house? He wants the bracelet off.
Look at this. You're not into fashion?
Ah.
That's how you have all the fun. Everyone has a gold bracelet. Okay, come on in. Check out our kid cabin. We've got our bunks. Look at this. Who's sleeping where?
I'm sleeping on the top. I'm sleeping on bottom. No, I am. No, I am. Yeah, I am. I am.
Ah,
You get to look at that. And
I got it.
you get to look out the window.
I got it. Look. Look at the little wolf pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that a little wolf pack? Yeah. Is it happy? Where's it happy? Ah. Great Wolf Lodge, New England. Let the fun begin. Ow! Can you guys give a howl?
What are you going to go on? What? The wolf's tail? And that's it right there? This one? Good, baby? Awesome. You know the rules, bud? You know what to do, Aiden? Okay, perfect. Do it like this. Cross your feet for me. You might want to hold your nose, okay? Here we go. Three, 2, 1.
I had no idea that it did that until right now.
Good thing you noticed that, Owen. Oh my gosh.
Wow, that is so cool.
I want to be in there right now. I do. I want to be in
Let's get our bathing suits on.
It's closed.
Oh wait, it's after 9 o'clock.
It is?
It's closed.
No, we have like 10 minutes.
Oh, we have 10 minutes? Oh my god, pitch black.
Pitch black. That's crazy.
I didn't even know it did that.
Yeah. How is it? That is like crazy. How is it even doing that?
That is so cool.
How is it? See you in the morning. Oh my. How is it even doing that? Daddy!
Oh, you did say dragon. Okay, so this is the module. And it's the sensor for
Oh, for the
when you go to play the
game?
game. Yeah. Andrew's so excited to have a draggy.
So we could use that in Magic Quest.
I think you can use it in the club.
The Clubhouse crew adventure.
Yeah,
game.
it's a new. I think it's a new thing.
All right. Do you know how to use our gas pedal, sir?
Oh my God! Surgery.
When I say go, you're gonna step on it, and when I say stop, you gotta take your foot off because we're gonna do different parts of him. So we're gonna start with his tail, okay? All right. On your mark, set, go.
Wow!
And stop. And now we're gonna go to his leg. One leg, go. And stop. And go to the other leg. And go. Alright, and now his head. And go. Oh. I thought that was dirt. It wasn't. It just was. Now we're gonna keep going, full speed ahead, because we're gonna fill up his belly.
Oh, fun! All right, buddy.
Go.
He's so cute.
No, he's not.
He's not even done yet.
And stop. So make sure he's filled. Oops. You got your foot off that, right?
Yeah.
One more section right here is kind of empty.
Want
And
me
go.
to take over?
Sure. Ooh, this guy. I don't know about this kid.
He's tricky.
All right, and stop again. He has like magic foot. So I'm watching your foot this time. If any shoots out at me.
So cool.
All right,
Look
sir,
at
now
that.
you are the boss, so you tell me. Do you think he's nice, good, firm enough?
Is he
Hold on,
full?
not yet. Do you think he's good?
Feels good?
Do you want more in there, or do you want me to take some out? Hold on.
Oh,
That's
he
good?
feels awesome.
Okay, let me see him again then. And just close him up, except that this is a dragon, right? So can you usually bring home a dragon as a pet? Not really, huh? So what I need you to do is reach in there and get a little bit of that out. And you're gonna put it in your hand and squish it around and get your scent on it so he recognizes you. Yep. In case you drop it, because everybody drops it. Okay, so squish it around and get your scent on it. And then you're gonna stuff it deep inside there so I don't touch it when I go to close him up, okay? So he recognizes you. There you go, he's your pet now. Now I'm
Awesome.
gonna close him up and then you're all set.
He's gonna need a name.
Yeah, he's the only one without a name. That's Brindley. And, oh, well, actually, you need to name him too. Now you're all set.
What do you say, Aiden?
Thank you.